Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I would like to welcome all my new subscribers and welcome back any of my returning crafty friends. As you know, I've been in a collaboration this month and I was asked to join by some amazing talented YouTube crafters. Tree from Craft On. She's also co-hosting with Kathy from Katzel Create. Also Miriam from Marianns Crafty Corner, V from Buzzing with V, and Becky Long are contributors to this collaboration. I will leave the link to their YouTube channels in the description box below so you can see the crafty things that they've made for the collaboration. October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and according to the Breast Cancer Foundation, it is done annually to bring attention to this disease. Breast cancer is a disease in which malignant cancer cells form in the tissue of the breast. I've known of a few brave women who have had this disease. With early detection and being proactive, one of my best friends is still here today. She has been cancer-free for 5 years. So this week our project was to do a set of 4 embellishments. And so my embellishments, I love making rosettes. And so that's what I made. And these are, I have a set of 5. But these are my embellishments that I made. And let me just zoom on in. I will show you them. So this is the rosette. And I just layered a few flowers that I punched out, or not punched out, that I die cut out, and this is from the Stamps of Life. And this set it's out of these 2 sets. So I use these 2 sets from the Stamps of Life to layer up these flowers that you see placed on these rosettes. And the rosettes I used are from Spellbinders, this one here, which I have a really hard time folding those, and I don't know if it's because it's just tiny or what. And then I use this die here from Alina Caro. So here's another one, and I just added some tulle sticking out the side on this one, but because of the gold there's a glare and it makes it bright because of the light. Here's another. They're pretty chunky, some of them. This one is more flat than the other, but I added some tulle here as well. This one, like this one is chunky, this one is chunky, and then this one. But it can definitely be added for more dimension. It can be added to. So these are my embellishments that I am sending. That I am sharing this week. I am adding them to my giveaway. So if you've watched all of my videos, you will see that I have left a secret word on one of them. And in week 5, you will put that secret word in the comments, which week 5 will be next week. And I will be pulling a winner for all of the stuff that I've made during the week. During this collab. And yeah, so I'm adding these extra flowers as well that I made to add to the rosettes. So these will be included in the drawing that I'm having at the end of the collaboration. Like I said, week 5. So go back and watch my videos. I will leave a playlist at the end. And find what that secret word is so you'll be able to win some of this good stuff. Anyways, hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like this, like and subscribe. You can find the playlist here or another video here. And until my next video, shakas!